Welcome to 846 Finley Avenue, a wonderful 3-bedroom linked home situated within the family-oriented waterfront community of Discovery Bay in South West Ajax. The driveway accommodates 2-vehicle parking in addition to the single-car garage, which also has a rear tandem door for direct access to the backyard. A stone walkway leads to a covered entrance, and through the front door is a beautifully renovated home filled with abundant natural light. Featuring laminate flooring, pot lighting, and a neutral decor throughout, the main level has an open theme flow and layout that is well suited for entertaining. The bright and very functional updated kitchen showcases crisp white cabinetry finished with crown moldings, has an open shelf for herbs, cookbooks, or other kitchen-related items, while gorgeous quartz countertops and backsplashes enhance the brightness of the space. The kitchen also has an east-facing window above its stainless steel double undermount sink and is complete with a brand new stainless steel oven, range hood, and French door fridge, as well as a newer built-in dishwasher. Illuminating the adjacent dining room is a contemporary pendant-style chandelier, bringing an aura of modern elegance to the space. Open to the living area, an L-shaped layout creates distinct spaces for these rooms, yet allows for entertaining fluidity with the addition of extra conversation seating or by extending the dining area, whichever is needed. And during the warm weather months, a sliding door walkout lets the entertaining spill outdoors into the west-facing backyard, which is quite large, fenced, and has ample space for play or for gardening as well. This home also showcases a new roof, furnace, air conditioning, and front garage door with opener. The foyer features a mirrored door coat closet. And to the upper level is a staircase with dark hardwood treads, painted white risers, and a window at its upper landing, off of which is also a linen closet. This level features laminate flooring and a neutral decor throughout, as well as a renovated 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor, an acrylic bath and shower area, and a new vanity with countertop basin and tiled backsplash wall. The second and third bedrooms are nicely sized and have double closets as well as large windows with east-facing exposures, with the second bedroom having pot lighting for added brightness. The master bedroom has the added brightness of pot lighting as well, to complement the natural light streaming through its west-facing window. And this delightful personal space also features 2 double closets, their mirrored doors enhancing the spaciousness of the room. The finished lower level has its own separate entrance from the side yard, and this level features laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, a spacious family recreation area that includes a movie projector, a kitchenette area with stainless steel sink, a portable 2-burner stove, and cabinetry storage, a laundry area with stainless steel washer and dryer, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor and walls, a shower area with sliding glass doors, and a space-saving vanity. Across the street from a convenience store, a short walk to Lakeside Public School and its adjacent park, and also walking distance to St. James Catholic Elementary School, as well as Ajax's waterfront park, its trails and conservation lands, a local shopping plaza, a community center, and Lake Ridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital are also nearby, while the GO Station, a wide variety of retailers and services along Bailey Street and Kingston Road, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, and access to Highway 401 are just short drives away.